Welcome to the Feline Fitness Frenzy. These furry competitors are giving it their all. And by all, we mean mostly chaos and questionable technique. We've got the cardio cats absolutely sending it on the wheel, the weightlifters bench pressing vegetables for maximum gain, and the advanced yogis taking a much-needed vibrating plate rest. Forget graceful landings. This is all about dramatic tumbles, gravity-defying jumps, and the occasional attempt at sinking a perfect basketball shot. It's high energy, low discipline, and 100% adorable commitment to looking busy. It's the Cat Olympics, and they are here for the snacks.